And now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Waltz gold level routine with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold. And dance preparation step. Then hesitation change, which consists of first 3 steps of natural turn and then hesitation ending. From here we dance double reverse spin, notice lady's heel turn here. Then open telemark, again lady's heel turn, and we finish in promenade position. Then we dance wing, man does 1 step, lady 3 steps. From here open telemark from wing position. Ended in promenade, and we dance open natural turn and outside change. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on directions. So we start with the preparation step, moving diagonally to wall and to corner. Second part of hesitation change, we dance into corner in order to continue diagonally to center with double reverse spin. Now we move same direction with open telemark, continue down line of dance with wing. From here diagonally to center, open telemark. From here open natural turn, down line of dance. And then diagonally to center, outside change, which we finish diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.